about to give them what they want. I don't think they're ready for this though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode.
What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones, representing Pump Chaser. So check me out, fam. Pretty much woke up, started doing my clients. I'm getting ready to go to the gym pretty soon. Want to get a meal in, okay? This is from Icon Meals right here. Check me out. As you see, not a big meal. 33 grams of protein, 25 grams of carbs, 6 grams of fat. I'm gonna do 2 of these meals, all right? Go outside, get a little bit of sunlight, reflect on my life a little bit, okay? Hey, homies and homies, gonna have my meal outside. I got my agua on deck. That is water in Spanish for the ones that happen to give a fuck. Shout outs to Mexico. Shout outs to Mexico, by the way. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my meal, fam. Do some reflecting and get ready for the gym now. Check this out, fam. You won't see this picture on my Instagram until about Thursday or Friday. So check this out. This is one of my online clients. This is Chris. Lost 20 pounds in 12 weeks. Look at him. Look at the abs. Look at the crispiness. Okay? If you're looking for a transformation, you're looking for some coaching, you're looking for some guidance, hit me up at beastmode316.com. I got a 20% off sale code. It's going all the way to July 12th. So you have all the way to July 12th to use discount code July 20. You want to be one of my online clients, you're ready to track macros, holla at me. Or if you don't want to be a client, just want to download one of my programs, one of my meal plans, you have to July 12th to use 20% off code. I just want to say thank you to everybody that has supported me over the years. It means so much to me. I got more great things coming in the future, and I just want to say thank you again. Let's get it. Oh man, so we're in the gym right now. I'm about to get it in. Got my brother Daryl. He's in town. First time hanging out. Want to introduce yourself?
My name's Daryl, aka Pump to the Max. You can find me on Instagram. I'm down here from Connecticut.
Hey, tell how old you are. Cause people need to hear these things.
40 years old.
40 years old, still natty too, right?
Still getting in.
We out here representing.
Absolutely.
Fam. 2 natties coming together.
Yes.
Pump to the Max and the Pump Chaser.
Let's do it. Yes, sir.
Yo, fam. About to hop on this pump and grind. Pump and grind gonna have me feeling fine. Let's get it. There we go. Starting off light, working our way up to 2 wheels. No big deal. Let's go, baby.
Good. Yep.
With that money. That's good. There we go. There we go, brother. Look at that money. There we go. Make sure my shoulders are set first. And you can feel it. You don't need a mirror. You can feel the shoulders. And my shoulders get set first. Switch my palms. Now here we go. There you go. There we go. Easy money, baby. Final set. Look at that chest. Look at that chest coming together. We ain't playing no games, going to failure. 4, 5, 6. Yep. No, and I'm gonna hold the last one.
Come on.
And oh, I couldn't even hold it that long. My shit was about to fall apart. Oh.
Good shit.
Oh, I thought my shit was doing this. There we go. Yeah. Easy money. Stretch, nice pause. Stretch, nice pause. Don't just do this. We want those crispy pecs. Stretch, nice pause. Come together. Relax. So the elbow can come down on his own.
Yeah.
Versus me trying to bring it down.
Right.
That's my thing. Focusing on letting the air, letting the machine, let the gravity bring my elbow down, and then I bring it up.
Gotcha.
So that comes from having the head, arms in the right position, so it can happen now.
Yeah.
I'll get out of here, guys. I'm talking to you. Yeah, absolutely. I'll see you around.
Crispy.
Just got spontaneous, bro.
Yeah, I had to, man.
That's all right.
Long,
I'm glad
long
you came.
time.
Too long.
Yep.
All right, homies and homies. As you see, we got our brother Daryl here.
Yes, sir.
Come to the Max Steel Bar.
Yep.
About to get a little sushi. We got a friend in town. We ain't waiting for the weekend. We want sushi now.
They're treating me good.
Y'all stay tuned. All right, homies and homies. As you see, we're at sushi. Tell them what you got, Prince.
I got these crispy rice cakes. I think it's rice cakes on the bottom and some salmon on the top. Amazing.
As you see, we're starting off with a little Hawaiian roll. Starting off with this. Got my brother Daryl in town.
Let's do it.
All right. And y'all just stay tuned. I got some more coming out, okay? Go give him a taste test. Give him a taste test, brother. The Hawaiian roll.
Using the chopsticks.
Oh yeah, I'm good.
Yeah.
Good.
Thank you.
I got one more.
All right, homies and homies, a little post-workout meal. You know shit just got real. Got my brother Daryl. What you got? We got the protein.
Sizzling.
Yeah. Check it out. The River Rock steak. We all got our own. You see that? Cooking on the high rocks. Got a little sushi coming next. All right, homies. Show 'em what you got, Prince.
Got
It's a custom.
just 1 or 2 Hotel Cali on the way.
All right. Got another Hawaiian. And we got some more rolls on the way. You like this, don't you, brother?
These are fire. Had to get
heard
another
it.
round.
Yep. All the way from the East Coast. Go ahead and break it over, man. Go ahead and pop that open. Michael Jackson.
The spicy gringo hot popper. Spicy taco. Everything looking good?
It was amazing. So check it. I got the Dragon and Michael Jackson Thriller. Michael Jackson Thriller. Well, it's called the Thriller. I just call it Michael Jackson. Y'all understand what I'm coming at. What you got?
I got a little bit of the spicy tuna. About to get down on this.
There it is. Go ahead and give me a taste test, brother. Let them know where we at. How we doing out here in Texas.
I'll try it, you know? Oh yeah. We're good.
Hey, homies and homies, just got home. All right, Denise over there putting together some $1 million deals.
Working.
All right, fam, I have to do some clients and what's up? You want to say hi, Brookie? You want to say hi, Brookie?
Hi.
All right, guys. Looks like they got a little Firehouse subs. I'm about to go to my office and catch up on some work, all right? All right, homies and homies. So I'm about to go visit my dad at the hospital. Got a meal right here. Denise ordered some food. This is what they got left. This is a whole meal right here. Now, what is it? Explain this.
So this is Laos.
Laos food?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is some, I don't know what kind of rice it is, but it's really good with some beef, and this is some pad thai, I think, with some beef and some noodles.
Okay, some beef noodles, beef and rice. I'm gonna
Yep.
have this in the Tupperware. I'm gonna microwave it, eat it in the car. Okay, I'm kind of running behind. All right. You know, talking to a few calls, had a few calls, did a little reflecting. That's how I'm getting this road. Okay, here we go. All right, fam. Here's the mirror right here. I'm on the road, got the R&B going. About to head out, all right? Eating on the go. Let's get it. All right, fam, here we are at the hospital parking lot. Right now, I'm sipping on this sugar-free soda by Zevia. I'm guessing they call it Zevia because they sweeten it with stevia. Zevia sweetened with stevia. So I'm sipping on this. Jam, let me turn this up for you real quick. Listen up.
Fuck that nigga, you can tell that you.
Just jam a little R&B, sipping on a soda, reflecting on life. About to go inside for a little bit, okay? Do they have any idea how long a beat to the food can come in?
So let's see, we go down tomorrow, and then since it's a procedure, let's see.
If I'm hungry when it's time to go home, I'll stop somewhere and eat. If not, I'll just have a little snack at the house. All right, guys, it's getting late. Let's go ahead and head back home. I gotta be up pretty early. Let's get it. Hey, you know what, fam? The beast is getting a little hungry. Let's stop by somewhere and get a meal in. All right, homies and homies. Over here at Waffle House, gonna get me a late night meal in. Look right for you? It looks good. Now before I show my food, 4th of July, I did a coaching sale. That sale is gonna be good all week. So if you want 20% off my online coaching, type in July 20 at checkout. The sale be good all week, all right? So here's my meal for the night. I got 6 whole eggs, some toast, and a bowl of grits, okay? And I got me some more agua on deck. Don't forget to like my shit, comment, subscribe, holla back at your boy. We need a moment of silence before we fuck up these weights.